CV up here.
That was our little jaunt down to Lost City, and Ledbrook did that Ranger Bob's whatever. It was pretty full on. Props to him. But this place is just mud holes and shit everywhere. Especially at the moment, there's been a bit of water around. Ledbrook's got a clicky, clunky CV by the sound of it. We don't quite know, so we might have a look for something to play on in my car down here, possibly. But otherwise, we're just going to try and get straight to Lake Lyell Campground, have some beers, have some good food, and chill. Ready?
Yeah.
So close. I'm in Jamie's way.
You're in the shop, Paulie.
Let's do a bit of track building for him. Yeah, boy! Are you going to try that one?
Maybe that side?
Is that one alright, Jamie? Watch that bloody tree though. Do it! Yeah! That is a solid effort.
Try and go diagonal.
Diagonal. Oh dear.
Neutral. Got a license for that? This just keeps going.
That's a long way up. I'm going to be stuffed going up there.
Up there or?
Shit, yeah, why not?
You want to jump in?
Hell yeah. Let's see how this puppy goes.
I don't know if there's even a line to... Is it worth still going? Hey! Alright. Christ, look up there.
Some serious freaking things up here, isn't there?
It's big.
That's a huge step up there.
I don't think you're going to do it.
How am I going to turn around?
Hang on.
It's fucking huge up there. It's like chest height.
Right, well, you get past that step there and then it's just... gets worse. Run, Paulie.
We're going to get to the top, are we? Ooh,
No way.
Jesus. On the left line, the left line.
Go to the left.
Am I belling out?
Nah,
Feels like.
it's just the wheels.
Front's not hitting.
Oh shit! Don't go that.
Oh, what is that?
That's what I said, man.
What
I
is
swear
it?
the brake was hitting something.
Something, eh? What am I hitting?
Wait, you got to check to see what's in there, man.
Yeah.
There's
I
something
want to have
there,
a look.
There's something there hard.
What? We hit something so fucking hard then.
At the front cross member, I think. You want to track build a bit? Yeah, boy! Perfect. Easy. Yep. Perfect. How do you feel, Louis?
Hey, we got off.
That's it. Whoosh.
Damn, that one needs spray.
Big day.
Ledbrook's still talking up the green curry that
Yeah, the green
basically Bianca cooked.
Well, Bianca chopped it. Bianca actually put all the ingredients together. She gave me the paste.
That's a sign of I'm more than happy to make sure Paul goes away.
Probably. I love you, honey.
100%. Oh, by the way, my CV's
Yeah, by the way, I probably need to spend another couple of grand. Jamie, what have you found?
Mexican chicken,
I'll skip the Mexican.
December 2016. Although, hey,
Perfect. Let's check out the gourmet meal. Got the pasta going.
How's it looking, Rexy? World famous Cressy carbonara. Yep.
Maybe not world famous, just.
No.
How do we get out?
Back that way and turn left at some point. You alright?
That's good. Well done.
Better than the wraps, eh?
You've reclaimed your chef status.
Oh, it's Parmesan cheese. Oh no.
Son of a bitch.
Do you want some? I've got to get it. There's
Too late now.
Not too
Look at
late.
that. I'm almost finished.
Never
I'm
too
still
late
going.
for Parmesan. So today's plan is to head in to Old Western Road, which isn't far from where we're camped, like 10-minute drive or something, and then go and check out Fire Truck Hill, and then we're just going to head off home. So that's about it today. Pretty lean on since Ledbrook's nursing the disco home with suspected CV. Trying to hear the clunk in Ledbrook's front end. That's Fire Truck Hill, and it is seriously steep and munted out. We're not going to play on it today. A bit scary for my little car. So we came in on Old Western Road, and this one area has just got tracks and bits and pieces everywhere, and big old hill up here. Lots of big holes and ruts, a few mud holes. Must be pretty popular. Oh, you ran all the way. Good effort running. That wasn't too bad.
Is there a hard right?
There is to further that way.
Yes.
Try that.
Did it easy.
I might try the next one across.
Alright.
Stop, stop, stop.
What was that? Drama?
I think it was a CV.
Fuck, that was loud. No!
Officially
the end of the trip.
Well,
Disco. CV?
we got noise in our CV. How about you, Louis?
CV. I got big metallic noises.
You got big metallic
in the
noises?
front end somewhere.
So I
What do you
think
reckon?
between 1 and 2, I think we should limp home
Hopefully we can.
so we can play another day.
3.5 hours at least to home.
We'll just take it easy. Rog, let's do it. Let's get home.